हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि हम देखते हैं क्वेश्चन जो कुछ पूछे गए हैं प्रीवियस ईयर में, प्रीवियस एग्जाम में। तो आज जो क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं क्वेश्चन कौन सा है देखो, और कौन से ईयर में कौन से टॉपिक्स है। सो टुडेस क्वेश्चन विच इज आस्क्ड इन नीट 2015 and it is based on the topic that is the chemical bonding. So what is that question? Question is the correct bond order in the following species is. Means simply we have to see bond order of these following options, or what is the correct order, increasing order or decreasing order, but whose that we will discuss now. So for that one, before going towards that main point or main discussion, I will tell you MOT, molecular orbital theory. It is very important concept for the NEET or IIT, so everyone should study that point, that is the MOT, how to find out the bond order, or what is that paramagnetism and the diamagnetic. So here also we'll discuss what is the formula. Formula of the bond order is 1 by 2 number of electrons present in the bonding orbital minus number of electrons present in the anti-bonding orbital. That we'll discuss. Now see which ions are given. In each option, ions are common, just sequence of these ions is changed. So which ions are there, that we will see here. O2 2 plus, next one is that O2 minus, and third one is O2 plus. So for these three ions, firstly we have to calculate the bond order, and after that we will check the sequence for this one. Clear? So here अगर हम डिस्कस करते हैं उसका बॉन्ड ऑर्डर निकालने के लिए पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए उसका मॉलिक्यूलर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. सो जैसे कि देखो B2 C2 N2, फॉर दीज मॉलिक्यूल्स or ions of these molecules we have to select the sequence, that is the 2 1 2 1. But if after nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon, if these molecules or ion of these molecules is there, then we have to select the sequence, that is 1 2 2 1. Now what is that 1 2 2 1 or 2 1 2 1, that I will tell you. Now see, as when we are writing the electronic configuration, that we start with the sigma 1s, sigma 1s. One is the bonding, second one is the anti-bonding, which we are denoting by using this star. After that sigma 2s, sigma 2s, here star will come. After that, now see, if 2 1 is there, firstly p orbital, for that one px py pz is there. For px and py we have to consider, that is the pi, and for pz we have to write the sigma. Means that's why if 2 is there, then we have to give the preference for the pi to px and pi to py. Now see here, we are writing the electronic configuration for the oxygen ions. So what will happen now? See here, because of that, here we have completed that starting part. After that 2p will enter. So here 1 firstly we have to write, means here sigma 2pz will come. Clear to everyone? These are the bonding and these are the anti-bonding. That's why what will happen? Here we are taking without star. Now see, after sigma 2pz, whose number will be there? That is of the pi 2px and pi 2py. One thing is that if we consider pi 2px and pi 2py, both are having the same energy. Clear to everyone? So if you observe the diagram, at that time we are drawing the two boxes together, and after that we are drawing the one box, like that diagram is there. So in this way, if we consider electronic configuration, so here this is the way to write the electronic configuration. See, here 1 2 completed. Now 2 1. 2 1 means again we have to write that pi star 2px pi star 2py, and after that 2 1 is there, means sigma star 2pz. Clear to everyone? So this is the general electronic configuration for these ions or the molecules. Now firstly we should know that how many electrons we have to add in that electronic configuration. Here if we consider in each one, O2 is there. O2 means 8 plus 8. How many are there? 16. See, for this one we will write first, second and third. We will discuss here together. Simply in that O22 plus, number of electron 16 will be as it is. For O2 minus, that number of electrons 16 will be common. For O2 plus, that electrons will be 16. But because of that charge, electron number will change. Positive charge means we have to subtract. Negative charge means we have to add. Positive charge, again we will subtract. But here plus 2 was there, so we have subtracted 2. Here plus 1 is there, so subtraction is by the 1 only. So here number of electrons will be 14, here it will 17 and here it will 15. देखो क्या क्या कंप्लीट किया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिखने के लिए सीक्वेंस कंप्लीट हो गया, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी कंप्लीट हो गए. अभी क्या करना है, एक एक आयन लेके उसके लिए इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिखना है और बॉन्ड ऑर्डर फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वन दैट इज दी O22 प्लस, उसके लिए इलेक्ट्रॉन से 14, तो हमें इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड करने हैं 14. सो 2 2 2, एज वी नो दैट 1s or 2s, any s orbital is there, it having the capacity of the only 2 electrons, that's why. So here 2 2, how many completed, see 2 plus 2 4 6 8 10 completed. So here 12 and here 14. So in this way we have completed the 14 electrons. When we are adding the electron, firstly we have to add, always keep in mind that is correct one, but only one thing I want to explain you. What is that? When we are adding the electron in that orbital which are having the same energy, here that is the pi to px, pi to py, and here that is the pi star to px and pi star to py. Firstly we have to add 1 electron, then we have to check the addition, that is the 4 plus 4 8 plus 2 10. After that we have to add the same electron in that, it will become 13. Again we have to add 1 electron in that 14. So when we are writing the electronic configuration of O2 plus, then up to this it is sufficient, no need to write this one. Clear? Now see, firstly we will calculate now bond order. One, when we are writing the electronic configuration, at that time here we can consider the KK. Clear to everyone? So when we are calculating bond order, we will not consider that part. Now see, 1 by 2, number of electrons in the bonding orbitals. Bonding means which are without star. So here 2 plus 2 4 plus 4 8 minus 2 electrons. So here 1 by 2 into 6, that is nothing but the 3. Means for O22 plus bond order is 3. Clear to everyone? So in this way now we will discuss about the O2 minus also. This part will be same, simply calculation part and electronic configuration will change. Here number of electrons are added. Up to this electronic configuration will be same, 14. After that now see here pi to px, pi to py, but it is of the anti-bonding. So firstly we will add 1 electron. So what will happen? 14, 15, 16. After that again we have to add 1 electron. So 14, 15, 16 and 17. In this way we have completed the electronic configuration. Just we will calculate the number of bonding and anti-bonding orbital electron. So here 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, only 8 will be there. What about the anti-bonding? 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. Here 1 by 2 into 3, and that is nothing but the 1.5. When we are writing this electronic configuration, here only this part, if we are means no need to write this part, because here electrons are entered up to this one, so we are just removing it. Clear to everyone? So this is the electronic configuration of the O2 minus and this is the bond order. What is that? 1.5. So here we have completed of the second ion also. Now only O2 plus remain. Number of electrons 15. So here again I am removing that one also. Why? Because here number of electrons 14 completed. Only 1 electron we have to add. And that firstly we are adding into this pi star 2px. So if electron is not here, then we are removing this one also. So this is the correct electronic configuration of the O2 plus. Now we will calculate the bond order. Number of electrons 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many it will be? 8. Anti-bonding 3. So 1 by 2 into 5. That is nothing but the 2.5. So bond order of the O2 plus, that is the 2.5. Now we have to arrange them in the correct order. When positive charge increases, keep in mind that when positive charge increases, bond order increase. Here if we consider O2 minus and O2 2 minus, in that bond order will be less in that highest negative charge. So this is the correct order. Now we'll observe which one is the correct one. So first we want, that is O2 minus. Only one option is there. In that first one is the O2 minus. After that O2 plus, and lastly O2 2 plus, means option C is the correct answer. So here we have completed that question. Hope so everyone understood. If you have any confusion, any doubt, any question, then you can write in the comment box. Thank you all of you.